A foldable iPhone seemed like a far-off concept at one point, something Apple would need years to develop. However, it's beginning to seem authentic now. The discussion has changed because the iPhone Fold is allegedly going into trial production. Now, the question is not whether it will arrive, but when. Additionally, as September approaches, the leaks are gradually painting a more complete picture. Dummy models of the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone Fold were recently shared by Sunny Dixon. With only minor modifications, the Pro versions have a familiar appearance. At first sight, nothing particularly striking, but the Fold is instantly noticeable. Apple appears to be taking a different way rather than adopting the tall, narrow design of gadgets like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It feels more like the Google Pixel Fold and has a shorter, broader shape. When closed, it seems small and nearly pocket-friendly. When you open it, it feels less like a phone and more like an iPad mini. Something straightforward, useful, and simple. Function is prioritized over perfection in the design. It may be among the thinnest foldables to date thanks to its rounded corners, squared hinge, and remarkably thin body. This no longer feels experimental after years of waiting. At last, it seems like Apple is taking a cautious but assured approach. It's one of those times when everything seems almost ready but not quite. You can practically see it, don't you? After years of anticipation, Apple is finally entering the foldable market. There's a brief gap now that it's beginning to feel genuine, as if it needs a little more time to land. The iPhone Fold and the iPhone 18 Pro are still anticipated to be released this autumn. However, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, there is no longer any doubt that the foldable won't ship simultaneously, and to be honest, it doesn't feel shocking. One of the most difficult things to do right is still foldable phones. Due to the display's extreme complexity, even minor problems have the potential to cause delays. When it comes to entirely new designs, Apple usually takes its time, especially when the stakes are this high. This is nothing new to us. The iPhone X did not come with the rest of the lineup when it debuted. When everything was ready, it appeared later. And it feels a lot like this. The expectation is straightforward at the moment. Although there will be an announcement in September, actual availability may be delayed until October, November, or perhaps December if things take longer than anticipated. Just enough time to ensure that it's done correctly.